Hey everybody, Chris here again with another EDC acrylic lanyard bead for 550 cable, stuff like that. This is a really nice solid white with a nice deep forest green pearl. Well balanced swirls on this one all the way around. And she's measuring in at 7/8 of an inch. Looks like 3/4, yep, 3/4 with a 1/4 inch through hole, so it's big enough to fit 2 pieces of paracord through. And these are good for bracelets, lanyard pulls for your keys, zipper pull, stuff like that. Alright, and I'll have this up on the site at fiddlebone.com. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well as on YouTube. I'm sorry, not here on YouTube and Facebook. So go over to fiddlebone.com, check it out, like, share, share, and subscribe, all that cool stuff. And again, have a wonderful day.